Okay, I'm gonna open it like this. The front, then this. You can see the holes on internet. Pretty easy to open. See? Now this side. Holes over here and here. Then you do this hole. This hole. This hole. Just open it. This one is a bit fucked because of that stupid thing. Remove that black thing and open it like that. Then you open it with the clips. This clips. That clip. That clip. Look, then you open it. You open it. And you put your hands over here and here, like this. Then you pull it like this, up, and it's open. See? Pretty easy to open like this. Enjoy!